Rekeying client documents into your connected systems can eat up hours of each week. Today, I'm going to show you how Zocks is able to scan those documents and push those over to your integrated systems in under 60 seconds. So here I am on the contacts page. I'm going to pull up John. John Doe is who I would like to test with. We have that document intelligence button here, and then we can upload any of our documents. So in my case, I'm going to upload a Fidelity account statement PDF. Select this, we'll hit open, and then we're going to actually start scanning it, and we are going to categorize it by a document type. Document types in the background are configurable. Zocks comes preloaded with a ton, but you can also customize these in the background. So if you have unique document types that you want to scan and analyze, you guys can set those up as well. So I'll pan over to this document. This is an example of what we can scan and pull in from this Fidelity statement. So here we are. And then you can see my connected systems on the right-hand side. So I really like eMoney. So I want to push all of this data over for John over to his eMoney account. And then we're going to prepare new assets and a ton of different data points to be able to push over directly to eMoney. So we see we're going to load these in by category. We have asset, client details, people, expenses, income, insurance, all these listed out on the left-hand side. And then as we start to break those up and categorize them, we're going to be able to display what we are able to push over. So in here as well, we're able to show the different categories. We can list out the actual investments and the assets. And then we also have some client details we may not have had captured in eMoney. We also have expenses, insurance, and some other sections for us here. And all we would do is just hit update, and that would send it over directly to eMoney for us.